In today's video, I am going to teach you how to change from Microsoft Edge to Google Chrome, a step-by-step guide. To begin, open any browser that is already available on your computer. For most people, this will be Microsoft Edge, but you can also use another browser if one is installed. The goal here is simply to get online, so you can download Google Chrome. Next, download Google Chrome. In your current browser, go to the official place to get Chrome. Then start the download. Wait for the file to finish downloading completely before moving on. Depending on your internet speed, this may take a few seconds or a little longer. When the download is complete, open the installer and follow the prompts on your screen to install Chrome on your computer. After Chrome has been installed, open Google Chrome. The first time it launches, you may see a welcome screen or a few setup options. You can continue through those if needed, but the main task here is to make Chrome your default browser. To do that, look at the top right corner of the Chrome window and click the 3 vertical dots. From that menu, click the option that says Set Chrome to Default Browser. This tells your computer to use Google Chrome automatically when you open web links, websites, or online content. If your computer opens a System Settings window, just follow the prompts shown there to confirm Chrome as the default browser. Once that is done, your switch from Microsoft Edge to Google Chrome is complete. From now on, Chrome should open as your main web browser whenever you click links or browse the web. That covers everything you need to know.